VPlayed Video CMS. Manage and stream your content on the go. CMS, or Content Management System, is an integral part of any OTT platform. It helps you manage and distribute video content on a real-time basis. With VPlayed, you are provided with a robust CMS to effectively handle all the content under one roof. Firstly, the Smart Upload feature helps in single and bulk upload of videos within minutes. As an admin, you can also schedule a live stream for any particular date and time, after which, your audiences will be notified, with a countdown to the actual event. Once you are done uploading, our dashboard allows you to easily categorize video files based on names or genres. With the content up on your platform, VPlayed lets you optimize video URLs, descriptions, and tags to manage your metadata effectively. You also have a great scope to track video analytics, to tweak your media library to suit user preferences. Not just these, you can now turn into a super admin and create sub-admin groups to handle particular tasks on the platform. No matter how big your content library is, VPlayed is the ultimate next-gen solution for all your streaming needs.